Welcome back. For several months now, we've been talking about the flu season and the concerns that health officials have about this upcoming flu season. And now it is nearly here. And joining us to talk more about why it is so important for everyone to get a flu shot this year is Michelle Corson. She's the Public Relations Officer for the Kern County Public Health Department. Michelle, thanks so much for joining us. This is a very big topic that we have been talking about for months now. It feels like we started talking about the upcoming flu season right when this pandemic started, and the concerns that health officials have about this flu season, especially. Why are there so many concerns?
You know, we are in the midst of a pandemic, as you said. And on top of that, we are moving into seasonal flu. Every year, seasonal flu is unpredictable. We take it very seriously. It causes severe illness and even death, unfortunately. So when you have the two things colliding this fall season, it remains more important than ever to use every tool at your disposal to protect yourself and your family. And that includes getting your annual flu vaccine. You know, we don't have a vaccine yet for COVID-19, but we do have a vaccine for flu. So 6 months of age and older, it is recommended to get your flu shot this year, more important than ever.
Michelle, there's a lot of misinformation going around online in various platforms talking about various things about the flu shot. But one of the big things that we're seeing, and a lot of people have concerns about, especially since there's a lot of talk about vaccines right now just across the board, is there any dangers about getting a flu vaccine, especially when COVID is still circulating in our community?
Absolutely not. There is no evidence that there would be any dangers associated with that. The flu vaccine is well researched. You know, science every year evolves. 2 strains of the flu vaccine, in fact, were changed this year to best match what science believes will be the strains that are circulating. The only precaution is if you are sick, if you are feeling ill, we recommend you do not get a flu vaccine, that you would wait and talk to your doctor if you yourself are feeling ill. Other than that, you know, this is an important time. It is safe. We recommend everyone get vaccinated, but talk to your doctor if you have any questions.
Who is the flu vaccination really for?
Everyone, 6 months of age and older, especially those that are most vulnerable. So we're talking our pregnant women, our elderly, those with compromised immune system, our young children are dramatically impacted by the flu. So, but the flu shot is for everyone. And you know, the peak of flu season doesn't come till typically November, December. Now's the time to vaccinate and get your system ready. You know, it takes a couple of weeks to get it strong and ready to fight this. So the sooner you can get that flu vaccine, the better. September, October is optimal.
That's what I was just going to ask you. You know, is it too early to get the flu vaccine? And it sounds like the answer is no.
No, in fact, we're saying this year especially, the federal government and the state has made sure that we have ample supply of flu vaccine. Typically in Kern County, we get 10,500 doses. We're getting those and we distribute those, but we are told there is a 12% increase in flu vaccine from the federal government to make sure that everyone can get a flu vaccine that wants it. And the sooner you can get it, the better.
Okay, so you talked about how important it is to get a flu vaccine. Where can you get a flu vaccine?
So here at Public Health, we will begin offering October 1st, you know, just over a week away, reduced flu shots, $9 flu shots. We're having to get creative this year with COVID and do some different things. So we're finalizing those plans, but they will be available in some clinics we'll be having in our health officer clinic. You'll just need to make an appointment. But all of your healthcare providers, pharmacies, clinics, flu shots, you're starting to see them everywhere. So whenever it's convenient for you and your family to get it, we recommend you going and getting those flu shots.
Yeah, but it sounds like the message is get it as early as you can. Michelle Corson with the Public Health Department, thanks so much for joining us this morning to talk about flu and the importance of getting a flu vaccine this year. Take care.